The new ChatGPT might freak you a little bit. It can now remember your conversations permanently. The new memory update means that ChatGPT recalls your name, your tone, your project, and writing style, even across chats. For instance, if you told ChatGPT that you're a student last week, it will suggest study prompt next time. That sounds good, right? But here is the twist. You can turn it off anytime. Now, let me show you how. Now, once you log on to ChatGPT, go to your name, click on it. Now, go to settings, go to personalization, click on that. Scroll all the way down, you will see memory. Now, by default, this is turned on. That's how ChatGPT remembers everything that you key into ChatGPT. Now, to turn it off, what you should do is go to that point where you see manage and click on it. ChatGPT saves everything that you have entered here. This is the memory where it saves everything. Now, if you don't want ChatGPT to keep remembering what you have keyed in, you can go for each of those and delete. You'll see that it says remove. Now, if I click here, remove, now it's going to show you remove, then click forget. All right. Now, you do that for each one that you don't want ChatGPT to keep or store in its memory. Or you can go ahead and just delete all of it. Now tell me in the comment section, would you keep the memory on or off? Which do you prefer? Now, if you want to see how to save ChatGPT conversations, click the next video that applies here. Now remember to share, like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in the next video.